Hi, welcome to DigitalFence.
Let's see how to apply controls over YouTube videos and websites. Choose the child profile. Tap on Apps and Content. Select YouTube channels. There are two options: content tracking and block shorts. You can either enable or disable tracking by tapping the toggle. You can do the same with YouTube Shorts. Whatever channel's child watch will appear here. The channels are divided into different categories for your convenience. You can search the channels according to the category. If you find given channel is not appropriate for your child, you can simply block it here by tapping on the toggle. Select the reason behind blocking the channel and tap on Block. It is that simple. If you block any channel by mistake, you can unblock by tapping the toggle. You can even change the category by pressing the given category. Select another category that seems more apt. Save it and let's go back. Now let's configure website rules. You can either allow a domain or block the domain. Right now Pokey.com is blocked. Let's see how it works. We will enable the Lend Device feature. Let's select Google and search here Pokey.com. It says content is blocked. The child won't be able to access websites once you block the website domain.